Let's learn how to find half of 1/2 using both mathematical calculations and visual representations. Our question is, what is half of 1/2? Let's start by visualizing what 1/2 looks like. Let's start with a square that represents one whole. If we split the square in half vertically, we can see that 1/2 is this colored portion. To find half of 1/2, we need to multiply 1/2 by 1/2. This can be written as 1/2 times 1/2. Now let's look at what happens when we take half of our blue region. If we split the blue half horizontally, 1/2 of 1/2 is this darker colored region. Let's solve this mathematically. When multiplying fractions, we multiply the numerators together and denominators together. 1 times 1 equals 1 in the numerator, and 2 times 2 equals 4 in the denominator. Therefore, half of 1/2 equals 1/4. This matches our visual representation, where we can see that the darker blue region takes up 1/4 of the original square. Remember, when finding half of a fraction, we can either multiply by 1/2 or divide by 2. Both methods will give us the same result.